Greetings from my happy place, Erstaviksbadet in Nacka, Stockholm. It is 20th of May 2025 and we have a super wonderful sunny day with 20 degrees Celsius in the air currently. It is 1 p.m. and we have barely wind here. It is so still and I have most of this beautiful sandy beach for myself. There are very few people at this time of the hour, and the warm weather is back after a few colder and windy days. So yes, I have really enjoyed also my ride to get here on my Scott gravel bike. 16 kilometers exactly. It took me 38 minutes. Most of the road was asphalt, like road, around 12 kilometers, and only 4 was actually cross-country terrain, or how should I say, suitable for gravel in the forest. I have been here so many times, but this is my very first time this year, and I am also glad a bit that Eurovision is over so that I can focus more on my beach adventures and spend more time exploring the beautiful beaches of Stockholm, Sweden. Now, there is nobody in the water, which denotes that the Baltic Sea is cold, but we're gonna check out very soon how cold the Baltic Sea is. This is also one of the closest beaches on the sea from my home in Högdalen, where I live, and I will be coming back to this magical place many times for sure. Now I am still filming with my GoPro 11 because I was so busy with Eurovision that I didn't have time to open the package from my GoPro 13 that arrived a week ago or so. So let's see if I have more time now once Eurovision is over. But this is spectacular. Look at this beauty. It's so beautiful. Just the touch of green that we have on this beach is marvelous, connected with the sand and the crystal clear but cold sea currently. And I'm going to check now how cold or warm it is in the water right now. But you can see that it's super clear, so you can read the temperature even from here. Now let's see, the temperature is going down and down. How much will it be? Now it's at around 10 degrees Celsius. Will it go even further down? It's obviously colder than the lakes. Let's wait for a few more. It's still going down. I really wonder how much will it end at the end. Okay, I think now it stabilizes, and the verdict is 9 degrees Celsius. 9 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea on this 20th of May 2025. I'm still going to go in for a swim anyway, even though this is the coldest that it has been so far. Well, not so far, because in March it was obviously colder in the water. But yeah, cycling and beach adventure with Kris, and now let's go in for a very cold swim here in the Baltic Sea. What else? Yeah, the beach is beautiful, obviously, as you can see, and I'm gonna be spending here a lot of hours today to enjoy. Now this is what awaits for me, and let's go in for a super nice dip in the Baltic Sea, even though it is only 9 degrees Celsius. The water is so clean and nice, but a bit cold as well. So I think I will need to stick to the lakes for a bit longer before I start my sea adventures more in the middle of summer. Now the summer is just around the corner, obviously, But yeah, let's then have a dip at Erstaviksbadet. Let's go. Cold, but gold, as I always say, is marvelous indeed. The beauty of the nature in this beautiful forest is just amazing. And what is beautiful about this beach is that it's not accessible by cars, so you can only come here by walk, running, or by bicycle, as the closest bus stop is actually quite far away, and obviously you cannot drive in the forest with a car, which I really like. And nature at its best, unexplored and beautiful Swedish nature. Alright, so I'm gonna be chilling on the beach, maybe take one more dip before I cycle back home. But thank you so much for watching this episode on this fantastic place of Erstaviksbadet on this 20th of May. Oh, actually it's 19th of May. What am I talking? I have been telling you wrong facts. It's 19th of May, Monday, and nothing else. So scrap what I have said in the beginning. Super sunny Monday, and greetings from Erstaviksbadet, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.